Good morning, everyone. So, Saturday morning, February 1st, 2025. We're about to start plowing, finish up the rest of everything. It's about, 14 below wind chill right now. It's pretty cold. We had, about 6 inches of snow last night on top of everything else. Let me just whip this around and show everybody what, if I can get to it. All right, here we are. Beautiful day, geez. We've already got some of it cleaned up. I got the big tractor. Well, big for me anyway. This is a, get on the frame there. It's a 1969 Case Construction King. Awesome tractor. I've had it for a long time, boy. It sure helps out an awful lot here. Anyhow, stay tuned. We'll get up on there and start plowing. Okay, after a little bit of battery issue here, we finally got her going again. This cold weather likes to kill them pretty good, so. Anyway, here we go. Alright, gloves on. Bear with me here. up the rest of it. Anyway, alright, we're all done with plowing, so that's about it for today. Had some trouble with that battery on the tractor, like I was mentioning. So we're going to go around the back here and hook up the charger to it. And I switched batteries out. It's the smaller one right now that I'm using in the Kubota. And we'll get that charged up. But it's gonna be 10 below tonight, so I just want to make sure there's a good charge in. I don't want to freeze that one too. So anyway, here we go. Alright, I got that one on a trickle charge. I'll take a peek now. Still not charged up yet. I got my bigger charger right here. We're going to hook that one up. So, yeah, a second here. We'll get her all done here. This time of the year, all your battery charging stuff gets a good workout. I just checked the date on this and it's 20 years old, so might need to get another one of these days just in case it doesn't want to work anymore. I depend on it quite a bit. Everything's tangled up. And the fingers don't want to work either. Battery voltage 2. Yeah, might need a little more than that. Alright, we're just going to leave that one on. Let that charge up overnight. This is the one I take out of the Kubota whenever I have trouble with the big tractor. So, alrighty. Anyway. Alright. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is down in the back of my lower shed here. And like I said, it's going to be damn cold tonight, so gotta make sure everything's not going to freeze up. And we'll be back at it again tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.